Welcome back to my channel. It's 𝐸𝑚𝑗𝑜𝑦. I'm so glad you made it back. If you love this hairstyle that's easy for vacations, or if you're growing your hair to your waist like I am, you will love to do this by yourself. Keep watching. The glasses that I'm wearing, the products that I use will be all located on my Amazon storefront. I made it so easy for you. All you have to do is click below and get the links, and I will just go ahead and send those right over to you. I love this hairstyle. It was not easy, but it was doable. Let's get started. Here's the products that I used. I used a rat tail comb, some duckbill clips. I also used scissors, as well as Shine and Jam hairline for braids. I used the oil sheen, the mousse, and the gel. I also added lock and gel that holds my braids together. This is my hair rack. It'll all be down below if you need it. And this is the hair that I use. I use Expressions ×3 and 42 inches in 1B. So this particular style is not easy, but it's doable. To get to where I am right now, the progress was 2 hours, and I used medium size parts with small medium braids. I wanted it braided all the way down because I wanted a low maintenance style. I'm doing a lot of traveling. I've been on 8 cruises this year, and I'm almost on my 9th. And I do a lot of traveling. I own a travel franchise, so I don't really have time to be in my hair a lot. There's Mr. Traveler. He is filming me and making sure that I get all the angles that I need. Thank you so much, honey. Okay, now I'm showing the progress as of 6 hours into my braiding time. My arms is pretty sore right now, but you know, I'm a trooper, so I'm gonna stick along with it. And I actually added some Hawaiian Silky to make sure that my hair stays moisturized as I have the braids in. I'm not sure how this video is going to come out, but it's 4 o'clock in the morning. I started at 4 o'clock yesterday afternoon, and it's 4 o'clock in the morning. I'm on my last braid. Here they are. Will I do this again? I'm not sure. They go all the way down. I'll be back once I put all my clothes on and put things on to review this hair. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you love it. Make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed. That did pretty good on the parting. Pretty good. Let me braid this last braid and I'll show you the rest. Okay, here's my hair all done. We are all set. These are the braids done. It took 12 hours to do. I'm going to give you a tip. I want you to make sure that when you have your hair braided, to make sure your braids stay moist and your edges. That's how you keep your edges. You don't want to pull and tug on your hair too much when you first get them done. So I do not wear my hair up in a bun for about 2 weeks. I make sure they stay moisturized every day. I was asked, how do I take care of them? I can do a separate video on it if you like, but I like to use leave-in conditioner every day, a really light spray, nothing heavy, or a light cream. I don't put anything heavy on my hair because, like I said, I'm trying to grow my hair back to my waist, and you are on that journey with me. I really love how these braids came out. They look so professional. I'm just proud of myself. I did a really good job for the first time being as small as they are. I want to go smaller, maybe even micro, to make them last longer because I like to dive. I like to be in the ocean. These braids went with me to St. Thomas, St. Martin. I went to Mexico 3 times. I traveled the world, so it came in handy to have this braided hairstyle. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in my mousse, And I really like to do a light coating when I wash my hair. I can do a updated maintenance routine. If you like, you can comment below and let me know if you want to hear about it. I could tell you how I take care of them. I like to keep my scalp clean and very conditioned and almost wet, because it helps my scalp not dry out. And when you wear braids, it's easy to have broke off ends inside the braids. Take care of my hair under the braids. And I'm just adding in the mousse here, making sure it's coated. And I always add my mousse in after I wash my hair. I make sure I get in between the hairs, make sure I go to the tips of my real hair, and make sure that you don't forget to take care of your real hair. This hair is synthetic, it's not my hair. I take care of my hair under the braids, so that comes in handy. So I'm going to do a light coating of the mousse, add that in. It makes my braids stay in place. I have a few scraggly hairs this out, and that's okay. I don't even cut them off because my ends are healthy. So then I go ahead and add in the oil sheen, and the oil sheen makes it very oily, not really heavy oil. It's a very light oil. It doesn't break my face out or my back. And some products that you can use on your hair, they can actually break out your back and your face. So you have to be careful what products you use. I love this oil sheen. I love the way it smells, and it smells just like I went to the hair salon. I just love it. So I'm making sure it gets into my scalp, making sure the oil covers my hair. And there, remember I said that there's a little piece of hair hanging out of some of them. I'm just going to leave that alone. It'll lay down. Once I tie it up, it will. I'm going to actually show you how I like to tie my hair at night. And a lot of people say, when you wear long braids, how do you wear them at night without a bonnet? And I don't wear bonnets at all. I love silk scarves and things that will help my edges grow. So I don't like anything tight on my head. When I'm asleep, I like to get my rest, honey. Okay. So this is how I like to wrap my hair up. I'm going to show you a few options that you can wear. So I take the braids, I split them down the middle, and I crisscross them. I'm being careful because I just braided my hair, so it's kind of tight. I crisscross them just like that. So I'm going to show you one more time from the front. I take one side of my hair on the left and one side of my hair on the right, and I gather it together very softly, and then I crisscross it. I wrap it just like as if my hair was waist length. This is how I wore my hair when I was waist length. I never just wrap it all in one side or the other. I make sure I crisscross it because it's more healthier for your hair. Okay, so here I go. I'm taking my hair and wrapping it up for the night, even though it's daytime and I just woke up. I did this last night. I didn't finish braiding my hair until 4 o'clock in the morning. So when I woke up, I said I'll just, freshly address everybody on how I did it. Add my duckbill clips in on each side so my hair will stay up very softly. I don't clip it tight. I make sure it's nice and loose. And then I take my net, my hair net, and I wrap it up in the hair net. And this will, like I said, this will all be linked down below, all the products, if you want to do this. And I love this hair net because it's very loose, but yet it holds my braids. And then I wrap my hair up with my silk scarf. After I wrap my hair up with my silk scarf, I go to bed. And that's how I sleep every night. I always condition my hair every day. So here's how it looks once I have my makeup together and I'm ready to go out on a date with my husband. And these braids come in so handy. I don't really put anything on my edges a lot because I have very fine hair. My edges are even fine. And I love that lock-in gel because I can do it one time and be done with it. It's not too heavy on my hair. So this is the results of my hair. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is how my hair came out. I really love it. It came out really good. I'm going to go really smaller next time if I can. Make sure you stay tuned for more tutorials, and I hope, and thank you everybody who enjoyed the mirror. I did a DIY mirror. It's in the background on my left side, and I put that together myself, so thank you so much. I usually wrap my braids up. I put them up in a clip. I take them down, wrap them up, put them in a clip. If you love this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Thank you everyone who watches me and Mr. Traveler on Mr. Traveler channel, where we travel the world. And if you're ready to book your adventure, give us a call and let us know. And we appreciate you. I appreciate you. And if you do this style, make sure you tag me on it on 𝐸𝑚 on Instagram, and I would love to see your work. And everything will be linked down below in my Amazon storefront. I appreciate each and every one of you. Make sure you have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Live your dreams, glam your lifestyle. Take care. Bye, everyone.
Taking